Well, you guys, thank you for tuning back into the channel today. Today, you guys, we have such a great position, you guys. So this position, it comes directly from Microsoft. Okay, so this position pays up to $195,000 for you guys to schedule appointments. So, how would you like to be paid $195,000 to help Microsoft schedule their appointments? This is exactly what this job is going to do. You guys, stay tuned to the video. We are going to jump right into this job. Before we do, you guys, we are going to jump into my shout outs for the day. Latasha W. When I tell you, Miss Latasha, hey, my sweet baby. So Latasha came to me. She booked a call, you guys. She booked a call. I'm so excited for her. She booked a call. We rewrote her skills, you guys. She got offered $164,000. Okay, Mr. Marcus, he actually got the DIY kit, okay? So that DIY kit does work. Y'all go cop that DIY kit. Stop sleeping on yourself because he got offered $172,000 rewriting his resume, and I am so proud of him. And then I got Miss Shanice T, you guys. So Miss Shanice T, she actually did the DIY kit, and she got offered $112,000, you guys. I am so excited for her. You guys, either go cop the DIY kit or do the virtual rewrite session. The virtual rewrite session, I am teaching you how to rewrite your resume, you guys. I am book, but I am teaching you guys how to rewrite your resume. You guys, I so want this for you. I want this for you, you guys. Do you want it for yourselves? So go get the virtual DIY kit. I'm going to teach you in the tutorial, in the kit. I'm going to teach you how to tailor your resume for every single job that you have. I really feel like this resume, the virtual rewrite session is better than all the rest because the virtual rewrite session, you can go over and over and over. You can continue to use the video over and over throughout whatever positions that you guys choose to apply for. It's not just me rewriting you one resume. You literally can take this kit and based upon the pre-written stuff that I have already done, you can take this one kit, you guys, and rewrite 50, 60, 70 resumes until they hire you guys. So definitely go get the virtual rewrite session or pick up the DIY kit. It does not matter. These jobs are too good to let go. And this is one of the jobs, you guys, they are paying someone. They're going to, and this job just got released today. If I have to smack y'all to go ahead and rewrite that resume, I will. $179,000 to schedule somebody calls? Boy, please, y'all better get on this job. Okay, you guys. So let's get into the inspiration of the day also. So today's inspiration of the day is going to say, whatever setback I had in life, that setback will not determine the major comeback that will happen in my life very soon. So you guys, that is what I want you to write into the comment section, you guys. Let's get into it right now, you guys. And like I said, I I appreciate you guys. I so appreciate you guys. And I want you guys to get these, I want you guys to land these jobs. That is why I am putting out high paying jobs for you guys. I'm providing everything that you need to land these careers. These are life changing careers. They will not happen again. Because of that pandemic, we have remote work, and remote work is open to everybody, you guys. All you need to do is write an all-star resume to get you in the door. Do not doubt the skills that you have, okay? That is why I created the resume template kit. And you guys, I went a step further for you guys, and I did the virtual rewrite sessions. The virtual rewrite sessions, Literally, it has everything pre-written for you. And I'm going to teach you how to tailor your resume for not only this job, but the job that is coming in this video, the job that was in the video yesterday, the job that's in the video last week. You can continue to use that video over and over and over again to tailor your resumes so you can not just apply for one job, you can apply for 10, you can apply for 15. That is what that virtual rewrite session is. But you guys, let's get right into the video. I'm going to show you what Microsoft is offering for a schedule. Let's go. As you guys can see, this is 100% work from home opportunity. This is a 100% work from home opportunity. So let's get into this right now. Okay, you guys, so let's start reading the overview of this. It said the Cloud Operation Plus Innovation Team is the team behind one of the world's largest cloud infrastructures, responsible for developing, building, and maintaining the entire Microsoft Cloud. Our focus is on smart growth, high efficiency, and delivering a trusted experience to customers and partners worldwide. And we are looking for a passionate senior scheduling program manager to achieve that mission. Do you see what it says? Program manager. You guys, all of the skills and everything a program slash project manager does is in their resume rewrite session. It has all of your experience. So everything that you're going to do as a project manager, it has that experience in there. All you have to do is cut and paste. It has 3 bios for program manager, 3 bios for project manager. So they are interchangeable. So it's 3 in total bios for program and project management. Literally, all you have to do is cut and paste out of each one to make it sound unique. But I have written those for you. So all of your experiences, every experience, every thing that a program or project manager does is written within that virtual resume rewrite. Okay. All right. So let's go down to once again, we're at the overview. It says within the CO plus I, the core operations and function teams manages delivery of data center capacity for Microsoft's cloud business across the globe. We have a portfolio of complex projects that require oversight from end to end. The senior scheduling program manager will be the team specialist for schedule management via our enterprise product. They will be a vital connection and orchestration point to ensure we have a fully integrated schedule across all of our segments in support of overall data center delivery. Basically, you're going to be making schedules. I don't know why they make this so hard. You're going to be making schedules, okay? You are going to be the program manager that is going to sit there and direct a team. You're not going to be making the schedules yourself. You're going to be directing a team and coordinating with other departments to make a comprehensive schedule for their team, okay? It's not that hard. This job is so easy, you guys. That's why I picked it, because $178,000 to make a schedule or to coordinate the schedule of others, get that resume kit, get that rewrite session, and rewrite your resume, because this job is too easy, okay? Okay, so minimum qualifications, bachelor's degree in business, operation, finance, or related field, and 4 years work experience in program management, process management, program management, process improvement, or equivalent. Get what I'm saying? Equivalent experience. So you don't even have to have a bachelor's degree. You just have to have the experience. All of the experiences are listed in the resume template kit. So this is a no work resume kit, because this is a no work job, okay? You just need to have the experience of being a project or program manager. It says 4+ years experience with MS Project or equivalent scheduling tool. You're going to be scheduling calls for $195,000. I can't believe this. I'm finna go apply. This is so good. Okay, So other requirements. Let's go to other requirements. Ability to meet Microsoft customers and or government security screening requirements are required for this role. These requirements are included but not limited to the following special screening. It says cloud background check. This position will be required to pass the cloud background check upon hire transfer and every 2 years afterwards, you guys. So literally, all you gotta do is a background check. This is how easy this job is, and this job is $195,000. You guys, get the resume kit or get the rewrite session. Get the rewrite session for this job. You can do it with the resume template kit, but the rewrite session is going to help land you this job. The rewrite session has everything. If you have never bought the virtual rewrite session, today is the day that you buy that virtual rewrite session, because all you have to do is literally, I give you all the experience, all what project management does, down to the T, down to the nitty gritty. And all you're going to do is cut and paste what they do and tailor that into your job. And I'm going to teach you how to do it in the virtual rewrite kit. Okay, so let's go down a little bit further to preferred qualifications. So let's go. These are the preferred qualifications. These are not what's required. These are just preferred. Okay, 4 years experience with scale volume-based schedule analytics, critical path methodology, and schedule development, which is not much, you guys. 2+ years of experience with data analyst, proven success in a lead role leading schedule development management on a portfolio of medium to large scale projects, creative problem solving skills and collaboration across global teams within and outside the organization. Okay, so let's get down to the responsibilities, you guys, since we're here. It says manage the execution and planning of the development of the integrated master schedule. So you're just managing their master schedule in support of major projects and programs across the portfolio. Oversee and manage portfolio and program level schedules, building detailed schedules from inception to completion. You're going to be writing their schedules. That's how easy this is. Develop a schedule mitigation strategies, reporting on scheduling issues and critical tasks to management, analyzing schedule sensitivity and risk, alerting on issues and recommending solution for schedule issues and high risk areas. You guys, so if there's a conflict with their schedule, you're gonna tell them about it. Yeah, it's that easy. Coordinate with all segments and functional organizations to ensure the execution system is in alignment. Basically, you're coordinating with other departments to ensure that the schedule that you created or that you had someone create is correct. Okay, establish and maintain schedule a standard detailed project delivery schedule templates with key milestones. So basically what you're going to do with that one, uh, basically what you do with that one is basically you're scheduling the projects. So you're scheduling the projects to make sure the projects come out on time. Thorough coordination with other segments, analyze and provide directions on the general health risk and progress of the schedule. Advise management of the status of work in progress, critical need by and delivery dates, and potential delays to committed dates. So basically, once the team gives you an estimated date or ETA, estimated time of delivery of the project, you in turn relay that back to your senior management. You should enjoy working under pressure and deadlines with an ability to manage ambiguity and uncertainty while driving clarity, you guys. Ability to work across organizational boundaries to build to uh, to build alignment and drive closure on issues and results, you guys. Like I told you guys, this job is amazing. It has amazing full benefits, you guys. Absolutely full benefits. Full benefits. Full benefits, you guys. Okay. And it makes 195 up to $195,000 creating a schedule and basically coordinating the schedule with other departments. You guys get this job. Go get the resume template kit. Go get the resume template kit and DIY it. But you guys, get that virtual. Get the virtual. I would go virtual on this. Get the virtual rewrite session and take everything that I gave you, which is the 3 bios, which is all the experience that a project manager would do. I literally gave you guys their responsibilities. I gave you guys their responsibilities. I gave you guys the key skills. I even gave you guys the title for to call yourselves. You guys, go get that virtual go get the virtual rewrite session, because I would do the rewrite session on this if there is nothing else. You can be a scheduler. Please don't tell me that you guys cannot be schedulers. You guys have master's degrees. You guys have bachelor's degrees. You deserve $195,000 to schedule somebody's appointments, okay? Put that, and this job just got released today. You guys, go get go go get the kit, but really, really and truly invest and buy that virtual rewrite session, you guys. I wish I had enough time to open up my books for you guys for this one, but I just don't. And that is why I put out the virtual rewrite session, so you guys can land jobs like this. For this job right now, go get that rewrite session, the virtual rewrite session, or get the DIY kit. I would get the virtual rewrite session because I put everything in there. I totally rewrote it for you. All you got to do is cut and paste it for this job, you guys. Have an amazing day. Go apply. I want this for you. Mine.